Udinese were denied a famous win at San Siro by a late Milan penalty, while Sassuolo were grateful to a penalty of their own to snatch a point in midweek. Tonight, the sides meet at the Dacia Arena, aiming for another result entirely. Striga Larsson has found half a yard and he tests Consigli, playing like a man possessed this evening, and showed an attacking edge here. Smart stop from Consigli. De Paul's cross! What a save to deny Llorente from Consigli. Udinese going very close. Llorente a whisker away from opening his account in Udinese colours. Consigli with a really fine piece of reflexes. De Paul sends it in. And Wallace! Narrowly over the top. Once again, the ball sat up so invitingly. It was crying out to be hit. Wallace certainly caught it well. Molina sends it in towards Llorente! And it's in! Udinese strike first. Fernando Llorente's first goal for the club. Denied on a couple of occasions prior to that. But he was determined and finally able to latch onto a cross and poke it home. Pereira again. Once again combining with Arslan. Striga Larsson is onside. His cross. Attacked well by Molina. Now De Paul! Off the frame of the goal. Consigli beaten. And Udinese so close to doubling their lead. Molina bounding forward. And now De Paul to win it! Still there for Molina. And De Paul, if he can sort his feet out. Penalty. Handball given against Sassuolo. Ferrari asking, I think, for an offside flag against Nahuel Molina. Locatelli, the man who's been shown a yellow card. De Paul's shot well saved by Consigli. And as it came back across, Locatelli adjudged to have used his hand. But after all that, indeed, the decision is overturned. It did appear that Molina was offside when De Paul struck it, and the video assistant referee, Gianluca Manganiello, has confirmed as much. Striga Larsson! Good save, Consigli. That would have been redemption. Berardi delivers. Away by Molina, but straight to Juricic! Great stop, Musso. De Paul. Makengo has stayed onside. Nestorovski in the middle. Pereira on the edge. And now De Paul joining in. Roberto Pereira! That will do it! Any lingering doubts dispelled by Roberto Pereira. Sassuolo's course looked a forlorn one, but Udinese have made absolutely sure of all 3 points here. And an impressive victory over the Nero Verdi. They move into the top half with that success. Udinese 2, Sassuolo 0.